visit now. So today we will discuss first the orientation about the event management. So I am your trainer. I am Milani Rizal. I am, of course, I'm a professional in national certificate. Your qualification is NC3 for salon business event management. Nakapasok siya sa salon business technology. And then the topic is event management. And the date today is May 4, 2026. So the location or the institution that it will be held is in Technological University of the Philippines. So for the mission of the institution is the university shall provide higher and advanced vocational, technical, industrial, technological, and professional education, and training in industry and technology, and in practical arts leading to certificates, diplomas, and degrees. It shall provide progressive leadership in applied research, developmental studies in technical, industrial, technological fields and production using indigenous materials, effect technology transfer in the countryside, and assist in the development of small and medium-scale industry in identified growth sectors. So here is the mission of the institution to provide the high and textbook industry in our institution. So here is the vision of the institution. So the Technological University of the Philippines shall be the premier state university with recognized excellence in engineering and technology at par with leading university in the Asian region. So the vision of the institution is to be a premier state university, of course, to be a recognized institution. So here is the 9 CBE principle. The first one is the practical. So a space dedicated to hands-on training where trainees acquire skills and knowledge. So the second one is the learning resource center. It is an area with modules of the CBLM, competency-based learning materials that you will need if you will go on with the national certificate or the practical skill area in the NC2. So the third one is institutional assessment area. This is where the assessment will be held. And the fourth one is contextualized learning laboratory. It is an area for studying the science, math, and communication principle behind the technology. So it is connected with the technology experiment or the practical skills that you will need in assessment. So the fifth one is quality control area. It is meant for testing and verifying product quality and compliance with standards. You will need this area. You will need to test in the laboratory. For the sixth one is trainers resource area, allocation, housing, instructional materials, regulation and source for trainers to develop curriculum. So the seventh one is the distance learning area, facility, allowing trainees access to digital or printed resources for flexible self-paced learning. It is connected for CBLM or the competency-based learning materials. For the eighth one is computer laboratory. It is an area providing computers for assessing online learning resources, developing IT skills, and enabling internet access. This is the area where you can access internet, use the computers or the technology that you will need to comply with the assessment. For the last one is support area, space designed for training comfort, including facilities for personal needs and additional support functions. For the role as the trainer, me as a trainer, I will facilitate of the learning during the assessment, and I will be responsible to guide you guys, and I will be the one who will acquire if you are competent or not yet competent. The NY or the NYC. For the role of develop event proposal or bid. Of course, we need to plan and develop or present the event management or your company and develop an event concept. Of course, you need to develop a concept when you are planning to have an event management and select event venue that you will need and develop and update industry knowledge, provide on-site event management services, and manage contractors for indoor events, develop and update knowledge on protocols. I will give you 5 minutes to prepare. I will give you 5 minutes to prepare your presentation and your script. So you start. But before I will give you a title sheet, you will need to sign up and signature. Alena Roa. You will need to signature her. Mopal Raizami. So, just prepare your event management proposal. So, what's the time? The time. Later on, I will discuss the progress chart and the achievement chart that you will need to accomplish before complying the national certificate for the salon or the event management. Check your name if it is correct spelling. And remember your number. Later I will call you. So we did a one by one with the assessor and the trainee. So I will call by number so that we will focus on the training the trainer one by one. So I will call Miss Alena Roa and you will go outside Miss Gopal for waiting area. So, Miss Alena, prepare your presentation. I will just get my ball pen. Where is your
Good morning, Ms. Arzat. Today I will be presenting my event proposal and my company name is my event name is Bash and Pub Events Co.
You can just be here.
So for our today's agenda is introduction of the company, event management team, client information event, client
Proceed
profile.
with the introduction.
So my company profile is Bash and Pub Events Co, founded by Ms. Alena Roa since April 7, 2023. So it's been 3 years. So our company specializes upon modern corporate celebrations such as birthdays, tea parties, mini festival, and lifestyle events. So for 3 years, the company has transformed to ordinary gatherings into extraordinary experiences through innovative styling, unique food cart concepts.
So, I will be questioning you if, so, what did you, ano pang gatherings yung, inaano ng company?
Mga birthday party po, mga weddings.
Next.
So for my company's mission vision to deliver high quality, stylish, and well-organized event. So our event objectives, of course, to deliver creative and organized. So it's my organizational chart. So may manager ako, operational manager, assistant manager, event coordinator, event assistant, technical committee, food and beverage organizer, logistic manager, and decoration and styling.
So, sa technical committee, ano ginagawa ng technical committee?
Of course, sila yung nag-handle ng sa mga system, mga sound system. So for my event description, it's a 21st birthday with a pop-up card festival edition. So for my client, Mr. Gaston Edition, the event will feature meaningful festival concept, and after that, meron ding after party. And the event will take place on September 12, 2026. It's Saturday from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. at Isabel in Valenzuela with 100 to 150 guests.
So, how much is the budget?
So, 300,000 po. Later on, I will proceed. Oh. Sorry. So, kung may client po ba, I'm po yung mother ng client ko. Businesswoman sila ay very malabon. And the father naman is Mr. Alfred Das, Individual, 48 businessman then also. So, I refrain for both local attendees.
5:45 p.m. to 7.
Ayun po yung start ng guest arrive pa lang ako yan. 6 to 6 p.m. ang yung program na entrance of Celebrat. 6:15 to 6:40 and yung mga games, interactive games segment. And for 6:40 to 7, ayun yung dinner and food crowd. So yun yung siya lang yan.
So, 5:45 to 10 p.m. Pati, kasama,
6 p.m. siya.
so kasama na dyan lahat ng pagsiset ng maayos after party.
So with like what you talked about before, my financial plan is 300,000. Ang kulitan ako is 3 areas such as the venue, lighting sound, foods, pop-up cards, drinks, event styling, program, and entertainment.
Next.
So here's the venue layout. Ayun po yung outside ng hotel. Ano naman yung inside ng venue hall?
Walang wifi. So, saan siya located?
Sa Valenzuela po.
Valenzuela. Ngayon, ang 300,000. Sino ang magpo-provide ng 300,000?
Of course, yung parents po ng client ko.
Anong trabaho?
Businesswoman ang nagsusupply po sila ng mga medical supplies sa iba't ibang places.
So mayaman sila. So, yung menu nila, from arrival, meron na. To dinner na. Pati pag-alis meron. May souvenir ba yan?
That's cool.
Next.
Ayan po yung prices, ito wings.
So, mahilig sa KJ.
Yes. Ay, mas convenient po siya since lalaki nga yung Celebrat. That's all po.
So, call the next.
Okay,
Mo pa.
company specializes in organizing.
What is the meaning of RMM?
That's my name.
Next.
My company provides mission to provide, create, organize, and memorable events, experiences that bring joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment for clients and their families.
Next.
And for my objective is to strengthen the relationship and unity among the family members through shared activities and bonding experiences to create a joyful and memorable family reunion event for guests of 100 to 160.
So the budget is 160,000.
Yes.
For 100 to 150 attendees.
Yes.
Next.
This is my organizational chart, which is my team.
What is the responsibility of the event manager?
Bilang event manager is yung pinaka-leader or yung talagang nag-create ng company.
Okay, next.
And this is my SWOT analysis.
Next.
My event name is Pachinko Family Reunion.
So this is a reunion.
Yes. My event name is Family Reunion Celebration, date and time, July 15, 2026. The time is 7 o'clock p.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. The venue is the Blue Mermaid Private Hot Spring Resort, located local Hot Spring Village, Corocon, Barangay, Banton, Calabas, and then next, and follow and this is my guy profile. Yung pangalan po ng client is Estrelito Pachinko. He is 46 years old and siya po yung plan ng
Siya yung kausap mo.
yes po. And then yung work niya po is company job.
Okay, next.
This is my venue po.
Magkano ang rent?
Ang rent po namin is 70,000.
Per night?
Yes po.
Ilang days ba sila bumili?
Bali for 1 night. 1 day and 1 day.
Okay, next.
And venue layout.
Next.
And then ito yung site na kung saan siya malalagay. And
Siya lang ba Laguna, right?
yes po. And then ito yung magiging menu po natin. Meron po dito test for
Ano yan?
yes po.
Sa buffet?
Yes po.
Okay, next.
And yung souvenirs po na may bibigay po ng client.
Okay, next.
And this is my program flow and invitation.
6 p.m. to 11 p.m.
Yeah,
So yung overnight nila hanggang 5 a.m.
5 p.m. po for
Next.
and then 8 p.m.
Okay. Call Miss Rola for the questioning and answer. So, paano mo tindahan yung event kay company?
Start lang po siya sa simple lang na ako lang yung nagmamanage, wala pang mga kasama, wala pang team. Wala parang may vision, since may vision ako, kaya nagawa ko siya.
Okay, call the next one. I will give you feedback later. on the next picture po. So congratulations for compliment and for the national certificate for the event management signature. Tatlo yan. So go back to your seat. For the next one, I will proceed for the last. So thank you so much for your cooperation. And the institution will send the certificate to your email, and the biometrics will be needed in that mission. So thank you very